Okay, December 30, Houston, Texas. The bird flies.
Oh no, we're being attacked. Look out, look out, look out, look out, look out.
That's hard on your camera, man.
I think he's camera shy.
It's much better with the image stabilization on, as long as I'm not walking around. Beautiful. We need kind of a low flyby for perspective.
Okay.
I'll back out of your way here.
Try to keep it in
Oh yeah.
the sun.
Good. And you've been up how long now? About 15 minutes?
I have no idea.
And this is the first successful flight on the bird. A CG change and some minor modifications and repairs. And it's a beauty. The sun on it shining, all red and beautiful. We have bogeys out there. There's a successful loop. Oh, nice with the red.
Alright, I'm going to bring it in for a landing.
Okay.
This thing loves to glide.
So are you going to land east or west, or do you know?
I'm going to come left to right, whatever that is.
West to east. One wing low.
Yeah, have to practice a little.